Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a eye look video and we are going to do a simple, basic jeans and t-shirt kind of eye. I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. And we are just going to start off with my Essence eye base. Because it always helps to start with a nice, smooth palette. And I'm just going to blend this out with my sponge. Make sure there's no wrinkles. And then I'm going to go in with I'm going to go in with my Creme Brulee because both of those are not mattes. So I'm going to use my Creme Brulee from Wet n Wild just to set that eye primer real quick. And then we're going to go into this color right here. My palette doesn't have the colors listed. It came with a piece of paper, but I don't know where it happened to that. So I just have to show them to you. Actually, that one's kind of yellow. Kind of wanted one that was a little bit rosy. Yeah, I'm going to go in with this one instead. It looks really dark, but it doesn't come off that way on the eye, so I'm going to go in with that one. And I'm going straight into the crease with it. And I'm just going to go in light-handed and blend, blend, blend. It's going to give me just a little bit of a pink tinge. And I'm going to take that same color and go underneath. So now I'm going to go in with this light color right here. It's the second color. Let's see if I can do this. Right there. Barely see it. But that's the color I'm going to use. And I'm just going to go on this inner half of my lid. And I'm going to go back in with that same burgundy color, and I'm going to darken up the crease. Ouch. And blend these two together. And I forgot to do the underside of this eye. And then I'm just going to take and put a little bit of brown, or this darker, I don't know if it's brown or if it's purple. It's kind of a purpley brown right here, right? The second one right there in the outer corner. And then I'm going to take my flat brush, this flat brush, and I'm going to use that same brown purpley color, and I'm going to put it on the bottom, really close to the lash line. And that is all we're going to do with shadow. So now I'm going to go in and I'm going to push line with my brown liner. This is the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Gel Pencil. And that's what we're going to use to push line with. And now I'm going to take that same flat brush I used for that purpley brown under the eye, and I'm going to smudge a line with that gel that I just put on. And I just go back and forth in the lash and then pull up a bit to help it be a smudgy line on top. Now, yeah, I'm going to go off camera and do my lashes because they take too long because I have to curl them. But I'm trying out this new idea or this new technique that the Taylor said. She said to use this first. This is the Revlon So Fierce. And then put this on top and it's like false lashes. So I'm going to try that. I'll be back and show you how they turned out. Okay guys, I am back. What do you think of my lashes? I think she is on to something there. I love it. It's like this is the best primer. I mean, you put this on first and it just really lengthens them and separates them. I don't know, it's got this rubbery, you know, bendable, which I don't really get that, but it definitely separates them and pulls them out nice and straight. And then you put this on and this thickens them. This gives them a little bit of clumpiness, but not much because I don't really like clumpiness. I just like them to stay curled. I don't know if they're going to do that, but you know. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is our t-shirt and jeans look for mature women. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave if you haven't already. And follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah!